Okay, Lily has the EPO, or hiccups, and we're gonna give her her first lemon. Ready? You gotta put it in her mouth, baby.
It's all over my finger. You don't like it? But your hiccups are gone, huh? No more hiccups?
She likes it.
The hiccups are gone, Mama? Yeah, I don't know either. But it works, huh? No more hiccups?
Yay!
One down. Lifetime of hippo to go.
Oh, was that a hiccup?
No, I don't think so. Let's go. She's like, we got him, huh? Carried him up. Oops, I got some lemon juice on your seat.
That's all good.
You want to try again?
She's like, I really don't like that.
He tries it though. Poor
So
thing.
mean.
What do you mean we cured those hiccups? Done.
Yeah. Alright. We're done. Bye, Lily.